Well, Bitcoin keeps on setting records, and now a Europe-based digital platform called Bankera has raised almost $30 million in what's being called the biggest ever funding round, ahead of an initial coin offering, or ICO. Well, joining us now is Lee Travis, CEO of Asia tech company Digital X, which advised on Bankera's pre-ICO round. Well, Bankera, bank in Europe, other side of the world, what was your role in this initial coin offering?
Paul, yes, Digital X, we were the corporate advisor to the transaction. So Digital X is a blockchain technology company. We've been involved in the full ecosystem of blockchain tech, from becoming one of the largest Bitcoin miners when we listed on the stock exchange 3 years ago, to running one of the largest Bitcoin trading desks, to developing our own applications, as well as raising funds from cryptocurrency investors. So in terms of Bankera, we were able to provide some advice around technical services for them, some marketing and promotional services, and then through the network that we've built up with over the last 3 or 4 years being listed, as well as the network from the team that we have over sort of 7 years involved in cryptocurrency, we're able to provide introductions to cryptocurrency investors that wanted to support that project.
Okay, well, one of the key advantages with using the cryptocurrency is the faster settlement, right?
Yes, exactly.
There's risks as well, isn't there? And I'm thinking particularly here about China, which has been cracking down on Bitcoin recently. Now, if digital currencies really do start gaining momentum and eroding the power of the nation state to issue and regulate currency, this doesn't have much of a future, does it?
Well, it's a great question, but I see that all over the world that governments are trying to get governments and central banks are trying to get a tighter control on what their consumers and audience are spending money on. I mean, look at India, looking to ban all the currency in circulation there. Look at Europe, looking to get rid of the 500 euro notes. Yeah, governments are looking to clamp down. However, digital currency is an avenue away from that. Digital currency enables you to send money anywhere else over the world. It really sort of frees you from some of those failures with central bank backed currency.
Do you think this market, though, is getting a little bit overcrowded? There's quite a few digital currencies now and a little bit too under-regulated. Yeah,
well, I think that's, we have seen really explosive growth. So you look at the market cap of all cryptocurrencies this year, up over 6 times. That's been a rapid rise.
Sounds like a bubble almost.
Well, that's where China's really come in. I think they actually have sort of pinched the market at a time where it may have been getting overheated, and that really will ensure that we shouldn't see a collapse in the marketplace. It's taken a bit of hot air out. You know, they're really assessing how to regulate the market. I think that it's a temporary thing in China. So that'll give them time to really explore the market and what needs to sort of come in for a positive regulation. You look at China, they are one of the most fintech forward countries in the world. You know, we've been over there twice this year, and the amount of innovation going on there is incredible. You've got Chinese sort of state-owned companies, as well as the major companies. They all have their own blockchain development teams. So yeah, I think that there's a big future there, you know, cryptocurrency in China. However, you know, they have taken the heat out of the market for now.